welcome back to Stella and Ale's Happy Minds Lab. Today we're doing our very first cooking edition. Since I love to cook and he loves to eat and I love to eat, he also loves to eat. I already said that. So we're gonna do a chocolate,
know how to cook.
So a raspberry covered in chocolate frozen. And then we're also going to do strawberry and blueberry. Or we're going to mix and match.
The part I'm most excited for is to eat it.
Yep. We're so excited about it. So for this experiment, I'm used to saying experiment for recipe. Experiment in the kitchen. We're going to need coconut oil, dark chocolate chips, some fruits like raspberry, strawberry, blueberry. You know my mom, she's going to put raspberries and chia seeds. I don't even know what chia seed is.
So we're assuming it's yucky.
Yes, we're assuming. And yeah, those are all our ingredients. You can add yogurt if you want, but we're not going to add that. And we need coconut oil as well. Yeah, I said that at the beginning, didn't I, Ale? Yeah, I did. Okay, anyway, step 1.
Step number uno. I'm going to say them in Spanish. This is uno is 1.
Yes. So step 1 is...
Uno is 1 in Spanish.
Cut the strawberries. Well, wash them first, then cut them. And then wash the raspberries as well.
And also wash the blueberries.
And dry them. Make sure they're dried or else the chocolate will fall off and that stuff. Step number 2 is put the chocolate chips. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Put the chocolate chips with the coconut oil in the microwave. Okay, now let's do those 2 steps. Let's cut the strawberries. Chop, 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 chop. Alright, come on.
Ooh, my belly.
We're gonna fast forward this because I take long. Back! And we finished! Now that we've done this, we're gonna put our chocolate chips with our coconut oil into the microwave. Be right back. So we need to put them into a microwavable bowl. So this. All of them? Yes, all of them. What else? And then we need a spoon for the coconut.
So we're gonna have to put more again?
So we need the coconut oil now. Less than water, like. So I wonder how much. Oh, you in here? It does kind of melt it, Alice. See? Do you think that's chocolate? No. Smells like nice. It smells nice. It's just like coconut, but it's not chocolate. So now we're gonna put them in the microwave.
So that's our only chocolate chip resource.
So 1 minute, okay, Alan? 1 minute.
I'll keep an eye.
So we need to make sure they don't pop. Because like something they can pop and explode in the microwave.
Okay, stop.
Now you're grounded because you were eating those. It smells so much like popcorn. Okay, it's okay so far, Alan. Okay, now Alan's mixing it. We chose dark chocolate chips because they're a bit healthier than milk. They're like a lot healthier than milk because like milk is not really that healthy. Now, that's the next step. I think it's 3. Step number 3 is you have to dip these inside. These inside. Make sure they're completely covered. And make sure like there's no extra. This is hard.
Yeah, it's just like the chocolate's heavy.
Got it. So So now that we've done our we added chia seed for my mom, and now we're gonna use our raspberries and our blueberries. So put the raspberry and take a blueberry and put it inside. Squish, actually no, that's too big. Alec, come on. These are big blueberries. That did not work out.
Tiny blueberry.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, this one fits.
Good job. Duh!
Go.
Okay, Alec, show it. Near to it.
Looks good.
Make sure the butt is showing it. There we go. This one's good. Now we need to cover it in chocolate. We used every single one of our fruits. Yeah, fruits. I was about to say veg. But, just fruits. We used all of our fruit. And now we made our thing. Now we have to freeze it in the freezer.
Oh, thank
For
God, not freeze
how long, Alec?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, yes.
3 times 10 equals 30.
Yes, now we're gonna go. Oof! Okay, actually, no, it's not that. Let's go freeze it!
So now we have to wait for 30 minutes for frozen fruits to
dry.
finish. I mean, to freeze.
Yeah, to finish, to freeze.
I'm
Yeah,
used
so
to
we
seeing
just tidied up our environment because a good chef always has a clean environment. So it doesn't get mixed in. Like if you're making an omelet and you didn't clean up from yesterday's dinner and you still have some pasta there, the pasta will get into the omelet. And then you serve it. There's pasta omelet! Ah! Ah! It's like zombie apocalypse.
Yeah.
Oh no!
It's a pasta zombie and it bit the
Omelet.
egg. And now it's half zombie, half omelet. That's
So,
disgusting.
now we're gonna go clean our dishes. What we really recommend for you to do in the meanwhile is to watch our previous videos. Like, we do experiments or we travel somewhere. Yeah, we do a lot of things. And now I'm gonna go clean the dishes. He's gonna go play Lego, and then we're gonna go on a little walk downstairs. You can even read a book. I might have some spare time before those 15 minutes finish. 30 minutes finish, I'm gonna go read a book. So you can do whatever you want. But we really want you to watch our videos. I hate washing the dishes. The dishes. There you go. Dishes. Wait, that reminds me. Something that my mom always says is look at the positive in anything. Everything. You
don't say I have to watch. I get to watch
the dishes because you have dishes where you ate your meals.
Some people that are poor don't even have dishes
because they don't have meals.
Like one time I was in Mexico, I think.
Yeah, it was.
And
Mexico.
I gave 20 pesos that I just earned. That's the kind of money that I literally just earned to 3 poor girls.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Now it's my turn.
It's his turn. I'm gonna go read some books. Reading.
Here. You finished the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series.
I did. So I just reread it.
Yeah, you love Diary of a Wimpy Kid. You're gonna finish all the books from Jack Kinney enough. I don't know when you finish. When our mom gets the book that you want. I'm doing a series that's new, and the first book has 304 pages.
That's a lot.
I'm only on chapter 4, and there's, I think, 34 chapters. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm building this Lego called King Namo's Throne Room.
30 minutes have passed. Now we're gonna do mindful eating. I'm so excited to try these out and see how they went. So Alice gonna get a strawberry and I'm gonna get the raspberry. So when you're mindful eating, you're gonna have to feel all the senses to just enjoy it. That's relating to the sacral chakra. It's what am I?
Oh
Yeah, it's a chakra we were reading about this morning. Anyways, So you have to use all your senses. So first we're going to try listening to it. Does any sound come out?
No sound.
Nope, because it's frozen. No sound. Now we're going to try looking at it. Ali, what does it look like?
Mine looks like a triangle.
Well, if you can see really closely on mine, you can see like on raspberries, you know, like
the holes.
Like they have like circle things. You can see the chocolate with circle things if you look really closely. Okay, now that we've looked at it, it's also a circle shape.
Mine's a triangle, half triangle.
And now you also have to feel it. It feels a bit chocolatey.
Mine's not smooth.
And cold. Now you smell. It smells like blueberry, chocolate, raspberry. Yeah, it really smells like blueberry. It smells so good. Okay, now we lick it. It tastes chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Now we just take a tiny little bite. Feel how it does.
Oh, it's cold.
Now, you can do this as many times as you want. Now you can eat it. Huh?
Make sure not to eat it so very fast. Because then all your hard work will be for nothing.
Delicious. Now we're going to do it with all of these. Well, not all of these. Most of these. I hope you liked it, and I hope you try yours, and they're amazing. I mean, of course they're amazing, because, like, it's a mix between chocolate and fruits. Like, really, those favorite fruits that you like. So it has to be amazing. So you want to know what inspired us? So we went to our friend's house, and we tried these ones. Don't forget to like
and subscribe
to Stella and Alice Happy Minds Lab. Bye!